Pioneer Xumo TVs use the Xumo operating system and support casting through built-in Chromecast, AirPlay on newer models, and Miracast. They support casting, which streams content from devices like smartphones or computers, while screen mirroring duplicates your device's entire display. Most 2023-2025 models have Chromecast for Android and Chrome devices. Apple users can use AirPlay 2 on newer models, and Windows devices can use Miracast. Ensure your TV is updated to the latest Xumo OS for the best performance and stability. A stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection is crucial for smooth 4K streaming. To cast, connect both your device and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Enable casting in your TV's settings under Network or Screen Mirroring. For Android, use the cast icon in supported apps. On iOS, access Control Center and select Screen Mirroring. If you encounter problems, restart your devices. Match the casting resolution to your network capabilities. Check HDMI ARC compatibility if needed. Use WPA3 encrypted Wi-Fi for secure mirroring. Enable app-specific casting rather than full mirroring for better control. For older devices, consider HDMI dongles.